Alright, so what we got here is my buddy's horribly cable managed, filthy PC that he built and neglected. So he's going on vacation, so we're going to tear this down, give her a nice clean, rewire all this, make it look nice and pretty, and hopefully it'll be up and going. Don't see these all the time. Little DVD writer drive, not even Blu-ray. It's got a EVGA hybrid RTX 2080 Super that has its own all-in-one water block to a, looks like a 120 AIO. Not sure of the CPU, and that's getting cooled by, it's like a 360 NZXT AIO. And yeah, just a heap of wires and fun stuff. Alright, stay with me.